Hi everyone, my name is Sayani and welcome back to my channel and welcome to the second part of the how to kill your boredom with painting, or you can say ways to kill your boredom with painting. Yeah. In case you haven't checked the part 1, please go check it out. The link will be in the description box down below. And yeah, let's jump right into the video. So in this one, I am going to paint one of the back pocket of my jeans. I am making some grass. So draw some lines with the pastel green shade and some leaves too. Now take some white color and make some flowers. So if you are painting on a dark color jeans, make sure you are using pastel shades. You can simply make pastel shades by mixing the color with a little more white. Now I am using the yellow paint to make the pistil. To make the shadow effects, I am using a brown paint. Lastly, I am using the deeper green shade to make some shadow effects on the grass and the leaves. And yeah, you are done. So here I am gonna paint on a rock. So firstly I am making the sky. For that I am taking a light blue color, cover the whole sky part with this. Then take a deeper blue and apply it on the upper part of the sky. Blend it pretty well so there is no harsh line. Then make some clouds with some white paint just by dabbing the brush like so. Now to make the sea, take the navy blue color, then mix some green and blue and a little bit of white to make a teal blue color, but a deeper teal blue of course. Apply it. Blend the color pretty well with the navy blue color. So the base part is ready. Now you just have to make the shade lighter by adding white little bit at a time. Now I am just blending the colors by adding blues and whites just like this. Just follow what I am doing. It would be much better to understand what I am doing by seeing it. Then for the sand, take a yellowish brown color. Here I am adding some waves with the white paint. Then adding some trees. And lastly adding some grass under the trees, and yeah. Here I am going to make a bookmark. For that I am painting the paper with a dark blue gray color. Now you can see as I am going downwards, making the color lighter. Then I am adding little white to make the color blend even more better. Do this both of the two sides of the paper. After letting it completely dry, just take yellow paint and start making some flowers just like this. Then I am taking some orange color to make some shadow effects. After that I am using green color for the stem. And then for the pistil, I am mixing the green with a little bit of orange and just dabbing the brush to create it. Then take some white paint and just dab the brush to make some more flowers. Then tie a string or a ribbon and it's done. For this one, I am making a scenery for this little easel I made. So firstly for the sky, I am taking violet color, then fading it towards the town. Then for the next layer, I am mixing some yellow and some orange. Then for the next layer, I am taking some yellow only. Blend the colors perfectly so there is no harsh line. After that, I am making some clouds with the violet and the orange color. Then to make the heels, I am using yellowish brown for the base color. Then using some brown color to make the shadow effects. After that, I am using the same yellowish brown color to blend the colors. Lastly, mixing some white with the yellowish brown to make a lighter shade for the highlighting effect. And it's done. For the last one, we need a polythene sheet like this. Then take a piece of paper where you wanna paint, place it under the polythene sheet. Then start painting on the polythene sheet, or you can say try to spread the colors like this. So after that, just turn the sheet and place it on the piece of paper and press it nicely to get all the colors from the sheet. You can do this process 2 times to get the colors even more better. Now for the flowers, use as many colors as you want and follow the same process. Now let it completely dry. After that, you just have to make some sketches of some flowers. And here you can see how beautiful it turned out. Frame the picture and hang it on your walls and you are done. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope it was helpful and you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share this video as much as you can. Comment down below and give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, see you on my next video. Bye.